Dear students, this reading skill is for class 8 and the first worksheet for you as a poem. The heading of this poem is Let's Play and Sweat It Away. In first stanza, mind is stressed and tense, there is darkness before the eyes. Ache in the back and head is immense, it appears we are nearing demise. Let's play and sweat it away. In this stanza, the poet want to say, mind is stressed and tense. There is darkness before the eyes. When you do more and more labor, that time nothing will be seen. When we do physically or mentally hard work, ache in the back and head is immense. Here the meaning ache, it means pain. Pain in the back and head is immense, not bearable. It's a severe. Immense, it means in a huge quantity. It appears we are nearing demise. Here the meaning nearing demise, it means about to die. Let's play and sweat it away. The next stanza, books of size, pens price and the assignment. Book size, pens price and the assignment. Book size, it means when you read to acquire more and more knowledge, that time it doesn't matter which book you have read, the size of the book, the sources of the book, it is unlimited for you. Your main goal to achieve to become a good achiever, like the best position holder. Books size, pens price and the assignments. My teacher gives me less and asks for more. My teacher gives me less. During classes, sometimes the teacher has given you the assignment, so that time the teacher has taught you a lesson, but he has required more and more because they don't want to hamper your own creativity. They just want to check your skill and you have to prove it for the better skill before them. So you do more and more labor and the result, it means the output is obviously output is well their requirements. So the meaning of here, my teacher gives me less and asks for more. Even the online courses gives me much engagement. Online courses, it means when you surf internet, you will get more and more sites. All kills your times because the eagerness of the people, the man is unlimited. If you want to know one more things, just it appears. Along with it is good or bad, because when your parents have seen you have spent much time on laptop or surfing nets, so that time they scold you. My parents say I need to do studies galore. Here you have to read, you have to focus on your studies, not to surf internet. Your parents' requirement, your parents said, my parents say I need to do studies galore. Let's play and sweat it away. Third stanza, birds in the sky on the trees give me messages, make me understand. Birds in the sky on the trees give me messages. The birds has given us the message, make me understand. There is play and perspirating even among the bees. There is a play and perspirating even among the bees. because here the word given bees, it shows it is a very laborious, diligent, industrious insect because it never takes rest. But my life is meant for work and obey command. Let's play and sweat it away. But my life is meant for work. My life is meant for work and command and obey command. Here we have to work, only work and obey command by our seniors or just a boss. Let's play and sweat it away. In fourth stanza, Vedas teachers, Bible preachers, Quran has a message to ponder. Here the meaning ponder, it means to consider. There is no enjoyment on Christmas if we have to work and obey only order. Anyone's directions we have to work. So here the order, it means the directions of our senior, the boss, the teacher, parents, anyone. Let's play and sweat every stress away. So here, let's play and sweat every stress. Here the meaning of sweat, perspiration. The last stanza, sports teachers work harder and together. Sports teachers work harder and together. You must have to, during playground, you have to labor hard, physically labor hard. But one thing, discipline as well as your teamwork is necessary, is requirement. We learn competitions and forget in way. Here the meaning, it means jealously. The phrase here, green eye, which shows the meaning jealous. We learn competitions and forget in way. It is mean for brother, sister, brother, mother and father. It is mean for brother, mother and father. Yes, game teaches camaraderie, not enemy. Camaraderie, amicability. Camaraderie, it means amicability, not enemy. Let's play and sweat every evil away. Hope I have given the meaning of this passage. Again, you read this passage. The PDF is given in your parents' portal and read it carefully. In my next video, I will give the question and you will solve all questions in your own word. Some objective questions as well as descriptive questions is given in this passage. So your creativity will be checked through reading skill. So you have to develop your own skills, not to take the other helps. It doesn't matter. Your answer will be wrong or right. My main ambition is to improve your own quality, not to take the other's help and prove your own worthy. Okay. So thank you for this class and you are enjoying this video also.